Tired of staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with ideas for your next YouTube video? Imagine you can create a full YouTube video without doing any of work. Well, you now do it with ChatGPT. All you need to do is tell it which video you want to create and it will do all the work for you. Let's create a video with the ChatGPT. It's only have to describe the video prompt, including the video idea, the length, the style, and it's done. Then ChatGPT will now help to create complete YouTube video with a script, voiceover, video footage, and engaging edit for me. For starting the experiment, if you are really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with related workshop which we will talk in later part of this video.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
Let's begin the tutorial. Create GPT Plus account, log in with your email ID and Video AI by InVideo as the plugin you can see on the screen, and add this extension to move further. Actually, this is a plugin. After adding this plugin, it's time to decide a niche that you can go into with this ChatGPT. In my opinion, to make a travel guides because of specific locations, I'll go with an Bern, Switzerland, and I want to make a full travel guide for people they are interested in visiting this beautiful place. The reason I chose this as a video to make this because I think I can easily match the quality of our current ranking videos when people search for this. Till you decide your niche, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You do not want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Move towards the tutorial. Once to provide with a brief description of the topic or the theme for the video. Also mentioned is a specific target audience, tone, style, key points you have in mind, and if you don't have a specific preference, you can craft these elements based on your niche. As I have created a Switzerland travel guide for the people who want to visit this place soon. The target audience is people between 22 to 65. Keep the tone informative, just enter the basic details and rest leave it to plugin. Should experience make the video long at least 5 minutes, and that's our prompt. If we now enter this GPT from AI is going to create our full video for us, and by the way, this can take care of any part of the video creation process. Is giving me the video details along with the title, description, length, background, music timings, visual styles, and also mentioning the ideal platforms where I can post this. Apart from that, the target audience too, that this video is for the travel enthusiastic, first time viewers and cultural explorers. Let's see what ideas it has turned, and how you can join with the Google to create an account in video. Now it just started preparing the video, as somehow it has tweaked the prompt, mentioned beautiful city. These are the tweaked platforms which I haven't done from my end, like city details, that it is a beautiful city, making adventurous video and all that. Also added the enhanced elements. Look what it has created for me.
To visit Switzerland, here's everything you need to know. Begin by booking your trip during the shoulder seasons of spring or fall. Not only will you avoid the tourist crowds of summer and winter, but you'll also enjoy the stunning beauty of Switzerland in bloom or the breathtaking spectacle of the autumn leaves. While planning, remember that Switzerland, though small, is a treasure trove of experiences. Choose your base cities wisely. Zurich, the largest city, is a global center for banking and finance with a charming old town and a vibrant nightlife. Geneva, the city of peace, offers a rich cultural experience with its museums, art galleries, and the headquarters of the Red Cross. Now let's talk about the Swiss Alps, a must-see for any traveler. Whether you're a ski enthusiast, a hiker, or just someone who enjoys stunning landscapes, the Alps have something for you. From the winter wonderland of St. Moritz to the breathtaking views from the Jungfrau Joch, the Swiss Alps are an unforgettable experience.
You can also export this file. Moreover, give comments to edit the video. You can also insert or remove any video or any clip what you do not like. You can edit the script as there are 8 scenes and each are detailed scripted. In this 8 scenes you can easily add or remove the scenes. So this how you can make use of this plugin and make instant YouTube videos without even voiceover. Leave a comment below telling us how you are using this ChatGPT plugin to create amazing YouTube videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering AI tools. So here's the wrap. This was Ushma signing off until next time.